my new way of recording, I use my OSG, and I'm using my drone right here to take the picture. And there's my phone, and there's my dongle to make the OSG work on my phone, that white piece there. And it goes over to the OSG, which is there on the very right, and there's an antenna way down there at the end. Phone, dongle, OSG right there behind my hand. And that's the antenna. Now the reason I like this is because, number one, there's no SD cards. Number two, it can record for hours. I don't have to worry about 5-minute slots, 10-minute slots, whatever. Number three, if I forget where my drone is or need to look at the video to see where I crashed, it's right there. It's on my phone. It takes about like a second, 20 seconds, just rewind it away and find it and watch it. So I really like that. And just the fact that there's no SD cards to be changing out or dropping or losing or anything like that, that's a big plus too. It did drop out a few times, as you'll see here in the video here when I finally get up in the air. It takes a while because I got to put my goggles on and get my controller, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, as you can see, it drops out a little bit. But I got that big 16 dBi antenna on there. So I'm thinking if I just put one of my Fox ear, right hand turn ones, my Doppler ones or whatever, it'll work a lot better. It worked a lot better in my goggles. So I'll experiment with different antennas on that and see what's up today, I guess. But this is my general idea of what I do. And it puts that watermark down there in the very center where you see the viewer, or the FPV viewer right behind my voltage and stuff, right behind the 500 and stuff right down there at the bottom. That sort of sucks. Because it's just, you can't read any of them now. But on my goggles, I don't see it. So it's just on the recording. But this is the recording. See what you guys think.
Whether you're looking
no music. Or you're going to have to listen to me talk. See, I don't know why it just breaks up right there. Like I said, on my goggles, perfectly clear. Didn't do too much flying, just a little bit of test. Go around these trees, see if it broke up. Did good around the trees, actually. Then I go out here and let's see, get some height to see what happens.
your inspiration.
So, not right now, I guess. See, there's no reason it should black out right there. I don't get it. I mean, it's getting good. It's almost like it just does it, just cycling through the channels every once in a while or something. Ain't the best OSG, but it works. Here's where I get the height. It took my whole battery right there just to save me from hitting the ground. Man, when you punch it, it drains your battery quick. I've noticed that. It's sort of like my cruising one, though.
Help you every step of the way. We'd love to help you find the right vehicle to fit your family. Special financing rate.
I miss the park from the air that's close to my house. I fly all the time. This is my testing grounds now. It used to be my flying place, and now I just go out here to test stuff because it's close. I'd rather fly at better spots than this. Here's my orbiting skills here, Doctor. I know you've been practicing yours. I need to practice. I'm scared, man. Maybe I shouldn't orbit myself. I'll orbit something else. Because I always hit myself. That's why I got my jacket on, man. More protection. Be wearing a football helmet here pretty soon. Then I come back, re-show the rigging again. I really like it, though, because like I said, it just records for the whole time I'm out. I just start it, let it record, do my thing. I still record with my goggles and stuff, but I know for sure this is recording. And plus, it's on my phone. That's a big plus if you make videos and stuff. But the quality is sort of iffy. I'll put a different antenna on there and try to clean that up, the breakage up, because I don't think it should have got any. Here's my little pan. Here, I'll pan around the whole park here so you can see what it looks like where I fly it. First, I try to shine it in the phone, see what it looks like looking at itself. There's the area I fly. I can fly all the way out around the whole horizon out there. Wherever you see out there at the very end, I can fly around. That's cool. Here's my group of trees I like to fly around. Oh, that's my video on the OSG. Tell me what you guys think. Peace.